Okay, good morning students. This is a part 2 of parabola. In part 1 we learned about first standard form of a parabola. Today I am going to explain remaining standard forms of parabola and some problems based on that. So, second standard form. Okay, second standard form of the parabola. For this, focus is taken as minus a comma 0 and directrix is taken as x minus a equal to 0. In first form, x plus a equal to 0 directrix. Now x minus a is directrix. Their focus is a comma 0. Here minus a comma 0. Okay, and provided a greater than 0 only. Okay. This is y-axis, this x-axis. Okay. According to the information, the focus is here. Minus a comma 0. This is directrix. X minus a equal 0 means a straight line parallel to y-axis and a units from y-axis, right hand side of the y-axis. Okay, now we want to find the locus of P, so that the distance from P to S should be equal to P to the line. Okay, one of the point is here only, no? So, for example, this is P, SP equal to, I can say that PM, one of the points here. If you take all the points, your graph will be like this. So, this is the graph of standard parabola in the situation. Focus is minus a comma 0 and directrix is minus a, x minus a equal to 0. Now you want to find its locus equation. Actually no need to find, directly you can write, no? That is y square equal to minus 4ax. Or you want, I can derive it. X dash comma y dash be any point. So this should be equal. Okay. Let P x dash comma y dash be a point on required locus. Just directly I want right now, directly. So what is that? PS equal to PM. PS means what, Nana? X dash plus a whole square plus y dash square equal to mod x dash minus a by root over 1 square plus 0 whole square. Directly squared. So what happened, Nana? X dash square plus a square plus 2x dash a plus y dash square equal to x dash square plus a square minus 2x dash a. So here x dash cancel, a square cancel. So finally y dash square equal to minus 4ax dash. Therefore locus equation is y is equal to minus 4ax. The second form, second standard form. Y square equal to minus 4ax. Y square is equal to minus 4ax. Just okay, students. Now you want to write all for this parabola. All means what is vertex, what is the axis, what is the lattice rectum, what is the equation of lattice rectum, and everything. So one equation. Y square equal to minus 4ax. Focus minus a comma 0. Directrix x minus a equal to 0. Axis same, x axis or small y equal to 0. Okay. Fifth one, equation of lattice rectum. Okay, so this is a lattice rectum L dash. Again same, no, this is parallel to this line also in the form of x plus k equal to 0 only. So parallel to minus a comma 0, x minus a equal to 0. So what happened? X is equal to a, substitute k minus a equal to 0. Okay. So what should write down instead of a? We need minus a here. Minus a plus k equal to 0, k equal to a, substitute the k equal to a here. So what happened? X plus a equal to 0. X plus a equal to 0 is the equation of lattice rectum. X plus a equal to 0. Okay. Next, length of lattice rectum. LL dash, directly right. Same, no? LL dash. This one. That is nothing but this one. That is nothing but 2 times of this. That is not 2 times of this. 2 times of 2a. Directly 4a only. End points of lattice rectum. LL dash. I will write like that. End points now here. This is vertical line. Every point on the vertical line of the form minus a comma something. This also minus a comma something. This also minus a comma something. Minus a should substitute in this equation. This y square equal to minus 4x. So y square equal to, instead of x you write minus a, totally 4a square. So y equal plus or minus 2a. So what happened Anna here? L equal to minus a comma 2a. L dash equal to minus a comma minus 2a. Next, foot of the perpendicular, foot of the directrix. This point. So that nothing but a comma 0 only. Okay, important note. Not only for this, for all conics. Important note. Vertex is the midpoint of foot and focus. Very important. Vertex is the midpoint of focus and foot of directrix. This is important, Anna. By using this note, you can solve so many problems. Important. This is the midpoint of this, obviously. So this is focus, foot of the perpendicular, foot of the directrix. Okay, these are about the second standard form of conic. Okay, students. Next, third standard form. For this, focus is taken as 0 comma a. Directrix is taken as y minus y plus a equal to 0. First of all, I want to draw diagram for this. Yeah, this is y-axis, x-axis. 0 comma a on y-axis, focus. Y plus a equal to 0, a line parallel to x-axis and a unit from x-axis and below the x-axis. Now you want to trace the locus of P. So one of the point is here only, actually 0 comma 0. Here only one of the P. So your parabola will be like this. Okay. So here I no need to derive the formula. Just you can say that the locus equation nothing but x square equal to 4ay. There is not big problem to derive. Okay, directly I want to write all equation. Yeah, x square equal to 4ay. Here also provided a greater than 0 only. Okay. Yeah, what next? Focus 0 comma a. Directrix y plus a equal to 0. Here only can conclude that equation of lattice rectum should be y minus a equal to 0. Okay. Next, axis this y axis or another words you can say small x equal to 0. Here y axis is the line of symmetry. Next, vertex 0 comma 0 for all vertex 0 comma 0 only. For all 4 standard form vertex 0 comma 0 only. Equation of lattice rectum, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Equation of lattice rectum, LL dash, simply I will write like that. Lattice rectum, observe here, this is lattice rectum. Okay, Nana? So what happened? This is parallel to x-axis, this is parallel to directrix x plus a equal 0. This is also in the form x plus a equal 0 only. So I think wrong, I wrote here y, not this one, okay. Yeah, this is also in the form y plus a equal 0 only. So y plus k equal to 0. So passing through 0 comma a. So instead of y correct a plus k equal to 0, k equal to minus a, substitute here. So what will get Nana? Y minus a equal to 0. That's why equation of lattice rectum is y minus a equal to 0. Length of lattice rectum, length of LL dash, observe here, length of LL dash, this plus the same argument, this is one of the p. So this length is 2 times of this, a plus a, 2a, total 4a only. So I forgot to write 8th one actually, that is length of semi lattice rectum. Sometimes they will ask, length of semi lattice rectum is this length, half of the length of lattice rectum. Length of semi lattice rectum is 2a. Next, end points of lattice rectum. End points here, this is horizontal line, 0 comma something, every point on the line something comma a. Yeah, this is 0 comma a, every point on this horizontal line something comma a, this something should find. So in the equation of, what is the equation? This x square equal to 4ay, instead of y you write a, so x square equal to 4a square, x equal plus or minus 2a. So this is 2a comma a and minus 2a comma a. So that's why one L I can say, what is that? 2a comma a, L dash is equal to minus 2a comma a. Next, what is next? This one, foot of the directrix. So directly I want to write, that is what is this Nana here? Point on y-axis, no? 0 comma minus a. So this is about third form. Okay students, fourth standard form of parabola. Focus is 0 comma minus a. Directrix is y minus a equal to 0. First of all, I want to write its rough sketch. X-axis, y-axis. 0 comma minus a on negative y-axis. Here 0 comma minus a. This is focus. Directrix y equal to a line parallel to x-axis, a units from x-axis and above x-axis. This is y minus a equal to 0. So clearly this is one of the point on the required locus. So the graph will be like this. This is the graph of the parabola. So directly I want to write their equations. You people can derive, that is not big problem. So what happened? X square equal to minus 4ay. Focus 0 comma minus a. Directrix y minus a equal to 0. If directrix y minus a equal to 0, automatically lattice rectum becomes y plus a equal to 0. axis, y-axis or x equal to 0. Vertex 0 comma 0. Length of ladder rectum 4a obviously. Semi 2a obviously. Endpoints of lattice rectum. Interesting. These endpoints you want. This is L, this is L dash. Horizontal line. Every point on this horizontal line is something comma minus a. Here minus a, something comma minus a. Obviously this is 2a, this is minus 2a. You can find out, that is not a big problem. So 2a comma minus a. 2a comma minus a. Another one is minus 2a comma minus a. Next, foot of the directrix here. Y minus a equals 0, no? 0 comma a. 0 comma a. A parabola is given y square equal to minus 4ax, for example. Negative symbol. Y square equal to minus 4ax. So what happened? This is open left hand side. Mouth of the parabola open left hand side. So it's rough sketch. This. By using this rough sketch, you can write all. What is vertex? 0 comma 0. What is focus? Minus a comma 0. What is directrix? Okay. So what is that? X minus a equal to 0. What is the foot? What is the foot? Nana x axis, no? A comma 0. This is midpoint. Vertex midpoint of the focus and the foot. 0 comma 0. Everything you can write by observing this simple graph. Okay, that's why you want to write all for any parabola. Just to draw its rough sketch, by using the rough sketch you can write all. Okay students, so 4 standard forms completed for us. Observe here, y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4ax, x square equal to 4ay, x square equal to minus 4ay, y square equal to 4ax, this one. We need to remember like this. By using the simple graph, you can write everything about a y square equal to 4ax. By using the simple graph, you can write everything about a y square equal to minus 4x and so on. That's why the shape should remember. For this and this, for this, the parabola opened right hand side. Its mouth opened right hand side. Mouth open left hand side. Mouth open upwards. Mouth open downwards. By using these simple graphs, you can write everything about a parabola. That is very important. Okay, important note. Among all these 4 standard forms, your vertex is 0 comma 0 only. For all. Okay. Observe here. For example, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Among all these 4, your vertex is 0 comma 0 only. For example, just this is one of the parabola. Okay, this origin is shifted to some h comma k. Our total system is shifted to h comma k. So this becomes the graph. This becomes the axis. This becomes the tangent of the parabola. So for all the here y-axis is the tangent of the pola, y-axis is the tangent of the parabola, x-axis is the tangent of the parabola, x-axis tangent of the parabola. This is tangent of the parabola. This is directrix. Now you want to say what is the equation of this parabola? What is the vertex? Obviously h comma k only. What is the equation of directrix? What is the foot of directrix? What is the focus? What is the equation of lattice rectum? What is the length of lattice rectum? Length of lattice rectum won't vary, no? Length of lattice rectum is 2a means 4a means here also length of lattice rectum 4a. Length won't change. Okay, length is okay. Length of semi lattice rectum 2a only. But focus will change. Equation of parabola will change. Equation of tangent will change. Equation of directrix will change. But how to find out? Okay, so here we need to use concept of transformation of axis. I clearly explained in previous chapters. Transformation of axis. For example, this is a y-axis and this x-axis. 0, 0 is the origin. P small x comma y is a point on the plane. If this origin is shifted to some another point h comma k by translation of axis without changing the direction of coordinate axis, origin is shifted one place to another. So origin is shifted to 0, 0 to h comma k. So the new coordinates of P becomes capital X comma capital Y. So we can create the relation between capital X and capital Y and small x with the help of h comma k. So actually this is new x-axis, new y-axis. Okay, so this is capital Y, this is capital X actually. So this is h comma k, this is k. Actually this length is k, this length is h. Actually this length is small y. Small y is nothing but capital Y plus k. Small x equal to capital X plus h. By using this relation, you can, if capital X, capital Y are given, you can find small x, small y when new origin is given. Understood? For example, small x, small y are given. We want to find new coordinates of P, that is capital X, capital Y. Make capital X, capital Y as subject. Capital X equals small x minus h. Capital Y equal to small y minus k. That is one thing. For example, this is the locus equation of f of x comma y equal to 0. Means with reference to old axis, this is the locus equation. If origin is shifted to one place to another place by transformation of axis, automatically equation of the curve will also vary, will change. Now what is the locus equation of this curve with reference to new axis? I can say f of capital X comma capital Y equal to 0 only. This is the transformed equation of this curve. Sometimes you want to write these values in terms of small x and small h and small y and small k only. That's why instead of capital X I can write x minus h comma y minus k, f of equal to 0. This is transformed equation, or this is also taken as transformed equation of the curve. Important note. If a comma b are the coordinates of a point P with reference to old axis, if origin is shifted to h comma k, what are the coordinates of P? How coordinates of P changes means I can say that a plus h comma b plus k. This is important. How coordinates of P changes means older x coordinate plus h, older y coordinate plus k should write. One thing. Next. For example, x square plus y equal to 0 is the equation of the curve. What is the transformed equation of the curve means instead of small x, actually that is capital X square plus capital Y equal 0 only. So instead of capital X you want to write small x minus h whole square plus instead of capital Y you want to write small y minus k whole square equal to 0. This is the transformed equation. Don't confuse. A comma b, f of x comma y. Don't confuse. So instead of this, what should write, Nana? Yeah, a plus h, b plus k, new coordinates. So instead of this x, what do you want to write? X minus h, comma y minus k. Don't confuse. Actually, this capital X, capital Y. After that, you need to write small x minus h, comma small y minus k. By using this concept, we can find everything about this parabola. Everything means what? Origin is shifted to h comma k by translation of axis. Actually, the shape showing that first form of the parabola only. So this is nothing but y square equal 4ax only. So its origin is 0 comma 0. This equation is x plus a equal to 0. Directrix. Focus is a comma 0. So if origin is shifted to h comma k, what is focus? What is the locus equation of the parabola? What is the locus equation of directrix? Everything should find. First of all, I want to find focus. A comma 0. A plus h comma 0 plus k. A plus h comma 0 plus k. That means a plus h comma k is a new focus. Don't confuse. What is the locus equation? Locus equation should find. Locus equation. Actually, y square equal 4x. older one. New one what's nana? Capital Y square equal to 4a capital X. Instead of capital, what should write? Small y minus k whole square equal to 4a into small x minus h. This is the transformed equation of the parabola. Equation means instead of x you write x minus h, instead of y you write y minus k. Point means instead of that point you write a plus h, instead of b you write b plus k. Okay, or point is taken as x comma y, instead of x you write x plus h, instead of y you write y plus k. Point means for example equation is given x f of x comma y equal 0, instead of this x you write x minus h, instead of y you write y minus k. What is the reason I explained? Actually you need to write capital X capital Y, after that you need to convert into small x and small y. Okay, what is the locus equation of directrix? Older directrix x plus a equal 0 only. So instead of x what should write nana? X minus h plus a equal 0. This is the new equation of the directrix. So this case is called shifted case. These are 4 standard forms. By using these 4 standard forms, we need to learn how to find the locus equation of parabola if the parabola vertex is shifted to one place to another. Means shifted case. Okay, these are 4 standard forms. By using these 4, you can create another 4 standard forms which are said to be shifted case. Shifted case, shifted type I can write. Shifted type means vertex is shifted one place to another place. Okay, so for example, yeah, I will take this. Origin 0, 0, sorry, vertex is 0, 0, that is origin for the coordinate system. This origin is shifted to h, k. In other words, I can say that vertex of this parabola is shifted to h, k by translation of axis. Translation of axis means, for example, this is the coordinate plane. Just without changing the shape of the given curve, we need to shift the origin. Just we need to shift the vertex. This here vertex 0, 0. Vertex is shifted to h, k. H, k. H may be positive or negative. It's somewhere h, for example, here h, k here. So this is the diagram for that. Just origin, previous parabola here only. This is its directrix. Just this vertex is shifted to h, k. H may, in this my diagram h is negative, k is positive. That just I can say h, k. Shifted to h, k. This is become the axis. This will become tangent. This will become directrix. This will become the focus. Now we want to write all for this parabola. For this parabola, vertex is shifted to h, k. This is axis. Shifted to h, k. Somewhere this h, k. Shifted. Its diagram will become like this. This is x-axis, axis. This is tangent. This is directrix. Here focus. For example, here in this situation, vertex is shifted to h, k. Actually, this is the parabola. Vertex is shifted to h, k. Somewhere h, k. For example, here h, k. So shifted. So this is become parabola. This is tangent. Yeah. Okay. This is the directrix of the parabola. Here only focus. We need to find what are the coordinates of focus. We need to find what the transformed equation of directrix. We need to find what the transformed equation of tangent. We need to find what the transformed equation of the parabola. Okay, means that by using these 4 standard forms, you can create 4 another standard form which are said to be shifted type. Another 4 shifted type. So just one I will explain, Nana. One I will explain, that is, if y square equal 4x is given, if its vertex is shifted to h, k, what happened to all? What happened to all means what happened to the its locus equation, what happened to the focus, what happened to the directrix and everything. So I will take only one, the remaining you can do, that is not a big problem. Okay, student, shifted type, no, instead of shifted type I will take shifted case. This case only important for parabola, shifted case. Okay, first of all I will take this. If vertex of parabola is shifted to h comma k. Then we need to find all. Important. H comma k. Where is h comma k? It is in first quadrant or second or third. You don't know. Values of h and k are not given. So my convenience, I will take that point is in first quadrant. My convenience. Actually, this is old parabola, old tangent, old directrix, old focus. A comma 0. Y square equal 4ax. So this is x plus a equal to 0. Foot is minus a comma 0. Vertex is 0 comma 0. Tangent equation, that is x equal to 0. Axis equation, y equal to 0. Okay. So what happened now that vertex of this parabola is shifted to h comma k. So this becomes our new parabola. This is S, this is origin, this foot, everything you want right now. Everything, that is important. Important case. First one, equation. Actual equation is capital Y square equal to 4a capital X. So I clearly explained how to write transformed equation and transformed point. Transformed equation, small y minus k whole square equal to 4a into capital X minus h. This is transformed equation of parabola y square equal to 4x when its vertex is shifted to h comma k. Okay, focus. Students, old focus is a comma 0. Clearly explained. A plus h comma 0 plus k are the new coordinates of focus. So I can write focus equal to a plus h comma k. One by one I am writing. Next I wanted axis equation, not point, axis equation. What is the equation actually? Small y equal to 0. Now transform means instead of small y, capital Y equal to 0. Instead of capital, what should I write now? Y minus k equal to 0. Okay, y minus k equal to 0. Sometimes we need equation of tangent. What is the actual equation of tangent? Small x equal to 0. X equal to 0. This is not a point. Line means capital X equal to 0. Instead of capital X, what should I write? Small x minus h. Small h minus x equal to 0. Next, fifth one. Directrix equation. I want directrix equation. Old directrix is x plus a equal to 0. This is a locus equation of a curve, straight line. So actually capital X plus a equal to 0. Instead of capital X, what should I write now? Small x minus h. Small x minus h plus a equal to 0. This is the equation of directrix. Okay. Next. Length of lateral rectum won't change. 4a only. Length won't change. No. Line segment length won't change. Okay. So its coordinates will change. No, L dash. Endpoints of lattice rectum. First of all, I want to write L. Old point what nana actually a comma 2a and a comma minus 2a actually for this. Okay. So what happened to point? No point. A plus h comma 2a plus k. What is L dash nana? A minus h, a plus h comma minus 2a plus h. Older one is this no, a plus h comma minus 2a plus k. Okay. Sometimes you need to find foot. That also point only. I will write here. 8th foot. Foot means foot of the directrix. Actually older one is minus a comma 0. That is point. That's why I can say minus a plus h comma 0 plus k. This is the foot. So in this way you can write everything for the transformed parabola. Transformed case is important, or another way I can say shifted case is important. So if y square equal 4ax shifted to h comma k, means what is the meaning of that? Its vertex is shifted to h comma k. So these are the things about that parabola. Similarly, if y square equal minus 4x shifted to h comma k, means that its vertex is shifted to h comma k, simply you can write. That is not big problem. Similarly, for this parabola and for this parabola, you can write. Important note. What is our case, Nana? For all the 4 r plus 4, for all 8 cases, your axis is parallel to any one of the axes. Means the axis is parallel to x-axis or parallel to y-axis. Here see, in this situation, if these two are shifted to some h comma k. For these two situations, so this is the axis. Axis is parallel to x-axis. If in this case, if vertex is shifted to h comma k, this is new. So what happened? This is the axis. This is parallel to y-axis. Means what happened? For among all 4, for all 8 situations, your axis is either x-axis or y-axis or the line parallel to x-axis or y-axis only. One more case is there, special case, that is called tilted type. Tilted. Just we need to rotation. By translation and rotation should use. What I use here only by translation concept. By translation of axis concept is what? Just shifting origin one place to another place without changing the direction of coordinate axis. Rotation means what? Rotation. Without changing the position of the origin, we need to just rotate both the coordinate axis through an angle. Transformation and rotation both will happen, no? In that case, what happened to the parabola? For example, this parabola is given. Transformation and rotation both are applied. Means what happened? This is okay. So its shape will be like this, maybe. In this case, this is the axis. This is the tangent. This is the directrix. Here focus. Everything you can find. That is not a big problem. But first of all, we should learn these 8. Okay. Important thing is these diagrams are important. By using these 4 diagrams, everything you can write, Nana. By using this diagram only, I wrote all. Using this diagram, you can write all for this. That's why basic diagrams are important. So basic, these 4 cases are important. First standard form parabola, second standard parabola, third, fourth. Okay, by using this, you can use shifted case. Last one is tilted case, shifted and rotated. For this case, these concepts not applicable. For this case, we need to use just its definition. By using definition, you can find focus, you can find directrix and everything. Okay, students, here I wrote important note. For the parabola x equal to ly square plus my plus n. This is shifted type, Nana. Shifted type. General standard type means y square equal 4ax, y square equal minus 4ax, x square 4ay, like that. No? So, shifted type. Quadratic in y, linear in x. Quadratic in x, linear in y. Quadratic in y, linear in x means for that the axis is parallel to x-axis. Quadratic in x, linear in y, for that parabola, that axis is parallel to y-axis. Should remember, x equal to x-axis, y equal to y-axis. Okay, see here, 3x square minus 9x plus 5 minus 2 equal 0. Write all means for this parabola, we want write what is the focus, what is the directrix, what is the equation at as rectum, what is the length of the rectum, everything you want write. But this is not in standard form, no. First of all, you want identify this is shifted form, shifted case. Standard form means those 4, not in directly in that form, no. Among that only, its vertex is shifted to some point, then its transformed equation is this. 3x square minus 9x plus 5y minus 2 equal 0. We want to identify among those 4 which standard form is shifted. Which standard form vertex is shifted. Okay. Quadratic in x, linear in y. Quadratic in x, linear in y. Its axis parallel to y-axis. Okay, whatever it may be. So we want find the everything about this means you want try to write into standard form. Standard form means what? Try to write this in the form of capital Y square equal 4a capital X. Capital Y square equal minus 4 capital X. Or capital X square equal to 4a capital Y. Or capital X square equal minus 4a capital Y form. Okay, observe here. I want make into perfect square. I don't want 3 here. x square solution minus 3x plus 5 by 3 into y minus 2 by 3 equal to 0. Nothing is wrong. Okay. Interesting, Nana. X square minus 2ab I want. A square minus 2ab form 2. 2 into x into 3 by 2 I can write. A square minus 2ab plus b square I want. 9 by 4 I want. Not there. Added and subtracted. Remaining terms you write as it is. Plus 5 by 3 y is there. Minus 2 by 3 is there. Equal to 0. Important, Nana. X minus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to minus 5 by 3 into y. So this transfer that side, actually I want add them. Minus 9, oh no, wait, minus 9 by 4, minus 2 by 3, 12 LCM, minus 27, yeah, minus 8, Nana, that is, yeah, how much, 5, 35, minus 35 by 12, so it becomes plus 35 by 12, 35 by 12, I want, so what happened, Nana? So observe, while observing this, we can say that our standard form is this, x square equal to 4a capital Y form. So I want to write in standard form again, x minus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to, yeah, minus 5 by 3 is taken common. What happened to y, Nana? Y minus, what happened? 35 by 12 into 3 by 5. 3 ones are 3 fours are, 5 ones are 5 sevens are, means 7 by 4. Okay, observe here, what happened, Nana? This is x square minus 4ay form. Y, okay, x square, okay, 4a you want, 4a, 4 not there, no, you want right, 4a you want. X minus 3 by 2 whole square equal to minus 4a. A means what? This is 5 by 12 I can write, no? 4 multiplied, 4 divided. Into y minus 7 by 4. Important, this is in the form of x square equal to minus 4ay. Okay, so we want to write the rough sketch of standard form. What the rough sketch of standard form is? This is the rough sketch. By using this, everything I will complete. So what is this, Nana? 0 comma minus a focus. Okay, what is this, Nana? Yeah, x minus a equal to, sorry, y minus a equal to 0. By using this, I can write everything for that parabola. Okay, so what happened? For this, what is happened? The vertex is shifted to 3 by 2 comma 7 by 4. Observe this. We are observing this only. So actual parabola of the form x square equal to minus 4ay. This, for this parabola, actual vertex is 0 comma 0. This vertex is shifted to 3 by 2 comma 7 by 4. Don't confuse. Not minus 3 by 2 minus 7 by 4. 3 by 2 comma 7 by 4. Okay, that I will write. The vertex 0 comma 0 is shifted to 3 by 2 comma 7 by 4. That is taken as now h comma k now for us. By using this, you can complete everything. Yeah, okay students, what is observation here? 3x square minus 9x plus 5y minus 2 becomes x minus 3 whole square minus 4 times of 5 by 12 into y minus 1 by 4. So I can say that this is in the form of capital X square equal to minus 4a into capital Y. Understood? Just now you wrote, I wrote now here, what is the vertex, new vertex. Okay. So here what is the a value, Nana? A stands for 5 by 12. This minus stands for the position of the basic parabola. I will write here the position of basic parabola. So this is basic parabola. Okay, Nana? This is 0 comma minus a is the focus. Yeah, y minus a equal to 0 is the directrix. By using this basic, you can find everything. Okay. So one by one I will write, Nana. First of all, I want to write, vertex I want to write. Old vertex is 0 comma 0. New vertex means 0 plus h comma 0 plus k only. H means what here Nana? 3 by 2, 7 by 4. Just now I explained. One more, once I will write again. Again I will write. That is 3 by 2 comma 7 by 4. So first one vertex. That is 7 by 4, 3 by 2, sorry, 3 by 2 comma 7 4. This is a vertex of this parabola. 0 comma 0 vertex of this parabola. Okay. Next, focus I want, focus. Focus. What is the old focus? Old focus 0 comma minus a. What is the new focus? 0 plus h comma minus a plus k is the new focus. 0 plus h means what, Nana? 3 by 2. Comma minus a stand for 5 by 12. This minus stand for the position of the parabola. Position of the parabola means this parabola is open downwards. So the work of minus completed. Using that minus only you can say the position of the parabola, open right side or left side or upwards or downwards. So after identification of the position of parabola, no use of this minus symbol. Just a means 5 by 12. So here minus a minus 5 by 12 plus k means 7 by 4. So I want to simplify this. 3 by 2 comma, here 12 LCM minus 5 plus 21. So 3 by 2 comma 21 means here 16 by 12. 16 correct only. 4 4s are 4 3s are 3 by 2 comma 4 by 3. 3 by 2 comma 4 by 3. This is the focus. Now I got focus of new parabola. Okay. Next, axis I want. Axis. Actually, what is the axis? Y-axis. Means x equal to 0. Small x equal to 0. Equation of the line. Instead of small x, what should write down? Actually, this is capital X equal to 0. After translation of the axis. Okay. So capital X equal to 0. Instead of capital X, what should write? Small x minus h equal to 0. So h means 3 by 2 equal to 0. Means what is 2x minus 3 equal to 0. 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay students, now I want fourth one is focus completed, vertex completed, no, directrix I want. What is the old directrix, Nana? Y minus a equal to 0. Equation of the line. Instead of y, what should write? Y minus k minus a equal to 0. Y minus k means what here? K means what? 7 by 4. A means what? 5 by 12. 12 LCM. 12y minus 21 minus 5. 12y minus 26 equal to 0. Or 6y minus 13 equal to 0. 6y minus 13 equal to 0 is the equation of directrix. Okay. Look, equation of tangent I want. Equation of tangent. Actually here equation of tangent x-axis. X-axis means small y equal to 0. Small y equal to 0. Small y equal to 0 means what, Nana? What should write? Capital Y equal to 0, actual transformed equation. So instead of this y, what should write? Y minus k equal to 0. Actually this is capital Y. Okay. Y minus k equal to 0. K means what here? 7 by 4. 7 by 4 equal to 0. Means what? 4y minus 7 equal to 0. 4y minus 7 equal to 0 is the equation of tangent. Next, sixth one, I want equation of lattice rectum. Equation of lattice rectum. Okay, so here equation of lattice rectum. This is y minus a equal to 0 means this is y plus a equal to 0 only. So y plus a equal to 0 is the equation of lattice rectum. I will write here y minus k plus a equal to 0 directly. Y minus 7 by 2, 7 by 4 plus a means 5 by 12 equal to 0. 12 LCM, 12y minus 21 plus 5 equal to 0. Or 12y minus 16 equal to 0. Or 3y minus 4 equal to 0 is the equation of lattice rectum. Next, length of lattice rectum I want. Length of lattice rectum. LL dash. That is 4a only. Length won't change. 4a. 4a means what? 5 by 12. That is equal to 5 by 3 units. Length of rectum is 5 by 3 units. Okay, students. This is 7th one. 8th one. Endpoints of lateral rectum. L dash. L. Actual L I will write first. Actual L. So this is minus something, no? That is 2a comma minus a and minus 2a comma minus a. Okay. Students, my sincere advice. Please don't by heart the results. Don't by heart all the 4 standard form results. No need. Just using their basic graphs, you can write everything. Just using the basic graph only, I am finding all. No, this is a 0 comma minus a and y minus a equal. These two enough. Focus and directrix enough. You can write everything. So actually, what I want find endpoints of lateral rectum. Means I want what are the actual coordinates of these two. No need to memorize. Just this is a horizontal line. 0 comma minus a means something comma minus a. Just to substitute 2a comma minus a minus 2a comma minus a. Enough. No need to by heart any formula. No need by heart any results. By using the basic graph only, you can do anything. Okay. So what is one of them is 2a comma minus a. 2a comma minus a. What is the new one becomes? Instead of this, what should write, Nana? 2a plus h comma minus a plus k. That is 2 into a means 5 by 12. H means 3 by 2. Sorry. Comma minus 5 by 12. Plus k means 7 by 4. Simplifications. Yeah. 2 cancel 6 LCM. 6. 5 plus 9 comma here 12 LCM minus 5 plus 21. So that's why I can say that this is 14 7 by 3 comma this is 16 plus 16 means 4 by 3. Okay, similarly you can find L dash, that is not big problem. You people can find L dash. Okay, next one I want find the foot of the directrix. Foot of the directrix. 9th one. Foot of directrix. What is actual foot of the directrix? Actual foot of the 0 comma a. 0 comma a. What is new one? 0 plus h comma a plus k. 0 plus h means 3 by 2 only. A plus k. A means 5 by 12 plus k means 7 by 4. LCM 12. 5 plus 21. 26 by 12. 13 by 6. So this is the foot of the directrix. So yeah, last type Nana, tilted type. Tilted type means what is the meaning of that? Actually, by using 4 basic forms, you got another 4 by shifting the origin concept. Shifting the origin concept means translation of axis. There are 2 types of transformations. One is translation and other is rotation. Translation means just changing origin or shifting origin one place to another place without changing the direction of coordinate axis. Okay, means that this is coordinate axis, just shifting origin one place to another place without changing the direction of coordinate axis. Another transformation is there, that is called rotation. Without changing the position of the origin, just coordinate axes are rotated through an angle. Okay, either clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. One more transformation will be, that is translation and rotation both. First translate, after that rotation. Means first of all what happened, Anna? First here parabola is there, for example. What happened? So for example this is the, I translated to here. After that some angle rotation. So what happened? General form, general coordinate plane, it will be like this, for example. So this is said to be tilted type. Just in this language you can say that translation and rotation both applied for basic form. That's why for this parabola, to find focus, to find axis, to find equation of axis, or to find everything about this parabola, those results are not applicable. For all those results, your axis is either parallel to x-axis or parallel to y-axis or along x-axis or along y-axis. These are standard forms. This is special type of parabola, tilted type. Okay, that those results are not applicable for this type of parabola. But using its focus and directrix, everything you can find by using definition of parabola. Definition is applicable here. Observe here. For example, this is focus nana. This is say alpha comma beta, because the point is not on x-axis, not on y-axis. Okay, so alpha comma beta, and say this is directrix given as Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. Everything you want to find, everything you want to find about this parabola. Just two things are given. One is focus and directrix. Everything means we want to find its equation. We want to find the equation of the lattice rectum. We want to find the equation of directrix. Everything you want to find. But the results which are already established are not applicable here. Okay, so do one thing. First of all, I want to find the equation of the parabola. That's why let P x dash comma y dash be a point on the parabola or required locus. So this length PS equal to PM. So what happened now? PS equal to PM. PS means distance, x dash minus alpha whole square plus y dash minus beta whole square equal to root over, equal to distance from this point to this line. Already we have the formula Lx dash plus my dash plus n mod by root over L square plus m square. So just I can write the required locus, x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to Lx plus my plus n whole square by L square plus m square. So simplify this. What you will get? That is the locus equation of this parabola. Important note. In 8 forms, there in locus equations, there is no xy term. But here in this situation, there will be xy term. After simplifying this, you will get xy term also. Okay. So after simplifying this, what you will get? That is the locus equation of this parabola. Okay. Next things how to find. Next terms how to find. Okay. First of all, we can find this foot of the directrix. How to find foot of the directrix? This is the foot of this point with respect to this line. Already we have the formula, finding foot formula. This is say x1 y1. This say ax plus by plus c equal to 0. We want to find the coordinates of foot. Let it be h comma k. H minus x1 by a equal to y k minus y1 by b equal to minus times of ax1 plus b by 1 plus c by a square plus b square. By using this formula, you can find the coordinates of h comma k. Same formula is applicable here. By using that formula, you can find coordinates of foot of directrix. After finding this is nothing but midpoint of these two only. Foot of directrix is there, focus is there, the midpoint only vertex. By using midpoint formula, you can find the coordinates of vertex also. Okay. Now next, how to find equation of axis. 3 points are there. 3 points are there on the line. 2 points are enough to find equation of a straight line. By using 2-point form, you can find the equation of the axis. Okay. How to find equation of the tangent? Already we have the coordinates of this. You know the slope of axis. Tangent is perpendicular to axis. So you can find its slope. Point is there. You can find its equation. Okay. How to find the equation of lattice rectum? Same. Lattice rectum is perpendicular to axis. You know the slope of axis. Using that you can find slope of lattice rectum. Already point is there. You can find its equation. How to find endpoints of lattice rectum? Okay. So already you found the equation of lattice rectum. Solve the equation parabola. You get coordinates of these 2 points. From there you can find the length of the lattice rectum. From that you can find the length of the semi-lateral rectum. Everything. Means what? By using simple definition, a parabola is given in tilted type also. You can find everything. Okay.